Hey everyone, I'm here with Brooklyn and we are in my office, which is also my seed starting room. So we have our growing station here with our grow lights and all of that. And we are starting seeds for her cabbage plant today. So in case you missed our other videos, Brooklyn got a cabbage plant at school about a week and a half ago now. And they were going to have a contest to see who could grow the largest cabbage. And we got it planted and we got it all ready and we had all these plans in place, and then what happened, Brooklyn?
Our dog Minnie ate the whole entire plant, the roots and everything.
Yeah, so we looked everywhere. We tried to find a replacement cabbage. We weren't able to find one. So we decided we're just gonna grow our own, right, Brooklyn?
Mm-hmm.
So we ordered some seeds. We ordered some from eBay and from Amazon, and the ones that we got in first were from eBay. So we're starting with these. And on these we just ordered a few. We ordered 1,000 actually on Amazon. So we're gonna have a lot of these seeds. So we're gonna yeah, we'll figure out what to do with those. So we're gonna go ahead and start planting these. We've already planted a few, but we're gonna go ahead and through a continue. So Brooklyn, go ahead and show how you're planting these. So we're putting 2 in every little pot so that we just have better chances of at least one of them producing and doing well. So go ahead and show Brooklyn how you're doing that.
So I'm putting them like a couple of inches apart, but you only want to dig like a little hole, half of an inch down really. So I'm doing that, and then I'm putting a seed each hole, and you just want to cover it up, and then you can move on to the next one.
Yep, that's all there is to it. So we're going to go through and finish doing that. Once we get all of that done, we're going to put it up on this grow station. Now, you don't actually have to have them up under grow lights until they sprout. So until then, you can have them anywhere. And then once they sprout, they're going to start to develop, and eventually they'll look kind of like this. These are broccoli plants, but they look similar to cabbage. So this is what we're trying to grow here. So we'll continue to record updates and show how it's going. And hopefully we can keep Minnie from eating at least one of these, right? We can at least keep one of them alive, right, Brooklyn?
Yeah.